Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. To access your spark plugs, you need to remove the windscreen frame and the airbox. Using a Torx T20 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws holding the windscreen frame. Now remove the windshield frame. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 screws holding the lower frame in place. Remove the whole thing. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip on the air inlet conduit. Remove the hose using a flat head screwdriver. You can now lift the airbox. Remove the air inlet conduit by lifting the plastic tab. You can now remove the airbox. You can now access the spark plugs. Unclip the coil power supply from its slot. Then extract the coil by pulling it upwards by hand. Clear it so that it does not interfere with removing the spark plug. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a hoover bit to properly clean around the spark plugs.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Using a socket wrench, a big extension, and a 14mm spark plug socket, unscrew the spark plug and unscrew by hand to save time. Remove the spark plug. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug. Put it back in place by inserting it using the tool, which will gently guide it to the screw support. Screw in the spark plug using the socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. Reconnect the electrical wiring. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Reinstall the airbox. Remember to put the air inlet conduit back in place. Put the hose back in place. Put the airbox back in its housing, then clip it in place by pushing down on it. Screw the clamp back on, put the lower frame back in place. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Put the windscreen bay back in place. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.